Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ayeza Shorts DIY. Today I will show you how to do skin whitening simple face pack at home. To prepare this mask you will need 1 teaspoon of dry milk powder. Dry milk powder has lactic acid, which lightens and smoothens the skin. Milk powder hydrates your skin. It acts as a cleanser. It gives a youthful glow to your skin. Now add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Rice flour acts as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents that function to prevent skin aging, promote skin lightening and improve skin. Then add 1 teaspoon of gram flour. Gram flour it's amazing for skin. Its help lightens the skin. Tan removal. Reduces oiliness. Anti-pimple. Mix all the powders well. We will add buttermilk to make the paste. Buttermilk keeps our skin glowing and is an excellent skin cleanser and toner. Make a smooth paste. Clean your face and put the mask to a clean face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clean your face with normal water. This face mask will make your skin clear and bright. And your skin will be spotless and youthful. Try this face mask 3 times in a week. And make your skin lighten and bright. Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget hit the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss the update from Ayeza Shorts DIY. Thanks for watching my video.